Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, that is negative sentences of English grammar. Positive sentences that are also called affirmative sentences. We have read about them in our earlier chapters. So affirmative sentences are positive sentences that have some positive sense in them, that tells us that something happens or something exists. But sometimes we have to change that positive statements into negative statements. Then we need negative sentences to tell someone that something or someone does not exist, or something or someone does not happen or do not happen. So let's start the chapter. So negative sentences, if we are going to define negative sentences, what are negative sentences? Negative sentences are the statements that tells that something or someone does not exist. For example, if we want to say that someone is not studying properly, so what the sentence should be? Let us take the subject as Rahul. Rahul is not studying properly. So this is a negative statement that tells us that something negative happens, or something, the work of studying is not happening. Okay. So these negative sentences are used for refusal or denial of something. If we want to refuse something, that if I do not want to do something, then what should be the sentence is? I don't want to participate in this program. In this sentence, there is a refusal for participation. And if I want to deny something, then I will not come with you. So this is a denial. So for refusal and denial, we use negative sentences. These negative sentences have negative words in them, like no, not, never, nothing, etc. You can say these are a kind of recognition for these sentences. The sentences which contain negative words like no, not and never are called negative sentences. You can easily identify them with these words. For example, if we write a positive sentence like I am studying. I am studying is a positive sentence that tell us that something positive is happening. But if we are asked to change it into a negative sentence, so how we have to change it? We have to add the word no or not after the helping verb. Now the negative sentence will be I am not studying. I am not studying is the negative sentence of the positive sentence I am studying. That's how we can convert the positive sentences into negative sentences. First of all, we have to check the verb present in the sentence, that which tense is used in the given statement or given sentence. Now we are going to learn how to frame negative sentences in simple present tense and simple past tense. In simple present tense, we know that first form of the verb with s or es is coming, like speaks, writes, reads. So these kind of word, first form of the verb plus s or es is coming in simple present tense. And in simple past tense, was, were is coming. And so if we have to change the sentence of simple present tense into simple negative simple present tense, like he studies, this is a positive sentence. If we have to change it into negative statement, then what we have to do? After the verb, studies is the verb here, after it we have to add not, and before it we have to add do or does. Do is used with first person and second person, that is I and you, and does is used with the third person singular. So he studies. In this, the subject, he is a singular and third person. So how we will change the statement into negative? He does not study. He does not study. That's how we will change the sentence which is present in simple present tense into negative statements. And let's now read how we have to frame the sentence which are present in simple past tense into simple negative simple past tense. In the past tense, we know that second form of the verb is used. Like if the sentence is, he came to me. In this, we can see that came is the second form of the verb. So we come to know that this is simple past tense. If we have to change it into the negative statement, after the verb, we have to use the word not. But instead of do or does, did will come here. And after did, only first form of the verb will come. Like, he did not come to me. This would be the sentence that now. Now let us check if the sentence is given in present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Okay, there is a correction here. Okay, so if we have to frame negative sentence into present continuous tense and past continuous tense. In the present continuous tense, we know that is, am, are plus was, were and plus verb की first form plus ing is we are using to frame a sentence into present continuous tense. And for past continuous tense, was, were plus verb की first form plus ing are using. So if we have to convert them into negative statements, the same verb is, am, are, was, were in the past tense, is, am, are in the present tense we are using. So if we have to change them or convert them into negative sentence, the word not will be used after the helping verb. Is, am, are, was, were, whatever the helping verb, plus not and then first form of the verb plus ing. For example, if I am taking an example of present continuous tense, Sita is dancing. This is a sentence in present continuous tense. If we have to change it into the negative statement, the sentence would be Sita is not dancing. The word not will come after the verb, helping verb, that is. If the sentence is past continuous tense, like Rahul was playing cricket, if we have to change this statement into negative, the word not will come after was. Rahul was not playing cricket. So these are the rules using which we can change a positive sentence into a negative sentence. So that's all for today. The rest of the chapter we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.